Hi, my name is Jamie Hicks, and today I'm going to talk about things you can do to prevent from being bored. First thing I'm going to talk about is playing cards. One of the favorite games I like to play is Memory. Really the game is you shuffle the cards really good, and you lay them all down, face down, and each player has to draw two, and they have to try and get a match. If you get a match, you get to go again. And at the end of the game, the players who have the most matches wins. It's one of my favorite games. Other games I like to play are like spades or hearts. Those are basically the same, kind of similar, but opposite at the same time. Another game I like to play is Speed. You get to go really fast on that game. There's a lot of games like Goldfish, easier games and stuff. It's really fun to play with my friends or, at parties or anything. Another thing that I want to talk about doing to prevent from being bored is you can do puzzles. Puzzles I love to do. You gotta have a lot of patience. It takes a lot of time. But it's really fun. If you like doing hard ones or easy ones, they have 100 pieces or up to thousands or even more than that. They have different kinds, different themes. Any kind that you like, they would have it. I actually done a 3D puzzle not too long ago. New York City. It took me about 3 weeks. It's really easy and it's really fun. It gives you the map and everything, and it shows you how to put everything together, how to stick it down in place and everything like that. It was really fun, and of course every time I was bored I always went straight to my puzzle because it always prevented me from being bored, and everybody hates being bored. So that's that. And the last thing I want to talk about is dancing. I love to dance. It's part of exercising. Everything. So, I'm just going to show you what I like to do sometimes. I like any kind of music, but basically like pop and stuff like that. It's more easy to dance to that has a beat or something.
Looking for it.
You just dance, whatever you want to do. It prevents from being bored, it's fun. Of course, you lose weight at the same time. But yeah, that's all that I wanted to talk about today. And I hope you liked my video. Thanks, guys. Bye.